Hey, what up everyone, it's your boy Tech back again with the new video, and today we have the OnePlus 7T, and today I finally got the camera screen protector. So like I said in my other videos, if you guys do have the OnePlus 7T, I do recommend you guys ordering a screen protector, or maybe a tempered glass, or maybe a skin for this camera hump. So I got this from Slickwraps, cost about almost 13 bucks with tax, and with this it was actually 50% off, and it still came up to just 13 bucks. So you know, shipping took about 2 weeks. It is what it is, and it's too late to return it, I guess. So this is Slickwraps. Might as well just go ahead and review it. So you do have a lint cleaning cloth, you do have their branding sticker, you do have a Snapchat sticker, and this is what you get. You get 3 skins. This is a, this probably costs pennies on the dollar to actually manufacture, man. Their profit margins must be ridiculous. All right, so basically what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna clean this camera system like so, and we're going to take one of these stickers right now, and we're just going to place it over this camera hump carefully. So let's go ahead and get this in. Okay, so just you guys start from one of these main camera sensors and work your way to the second camera sensor. You got it? You gotta push out any of the bubbles. Sweet. Alright, so this is the camera hump skin by Slickwraps for the OnePlus 7T. And as for the matte finish, it doesn't look too bad. I should have went with a clear finish. Now with the included case that OnePlus actually provided, it's actually pretty solid when it comes to protection. You do have a slight raise over here for this camera hump, and you do have some raised corners as well. Alright, so let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day, and please subscribe for some awesome videos, and please don't forget to hit that like button. This is Tech signing out. Peace.